Alright guys, getting ready to change out the countertops today. Had to clear everything off. Really not going to shoot a video of that. It's pretty basic. You have to pull the drawers, open the doors up, go underneath, unscrew your countertops after I remove the backsplash. Pretty much same thing over here. We have to pull the stove out, pull the dishwasher out so we can get to those screws. Sink and all is gone. We're putting a new sink in. Come over here and we'll remove this countertop, pull the refrigerator out, and I'll show you some photos after we get it set in there. I did yesterday get the top cabinets cleaned and new knobs, and I did go back to Lowe's and pick up some new hinges. If you can tell, these hinges are nice and shiny and new. Got those installed all the way around. I don't know why this camera is so out of focus. I'm shooting everything on my phone. That's why it's probably that way. But anyway, stay tuned. I'll show some photos later on. And here we go, guys. Kitchen is a hot mess. Excuse it. But I thought I'd at least give you a fair and honest video. Countertops are cut and sitting in place. I just went through installing this new sink, which this sink was the cheapest of all of them, believe it or not. This thing was $399 and it came with everything you see. The faucet, which is a hanging sprayable with the sprayer for doing deep pots and pans. It's got the little strainer piece that goes down here in the bottom. Also, it has a slide out drawer. What you do is take your cutting board, put it on either side. You cut your vegetables and stuff, you put them in here, take a sprayer, spray, clean everything out. It also has a little strainer over here to lay things on, but this rolls up. Take that out of your way if you like, pack it away. Take this, slide it to the side, take your cutting board, put it away, or slide it over here also. Stainless steel. These are laminate countertops. You know, I think I had altogether with the sink and the countertops was around $1,100. I have about $39 in plumbing for underneath. The appliances, we have $1,600 in the refrigerator, the stove, $99 in the new vent. So altogether we're looking at what, about $2,800 so far of my $3,500 budget. I want to do some type of backsplash, but we're getting ready to install new windows. So until I install the window and get it trimmed out, this is a double wide, guys. So you got a storm window on the inside, cheap storm window on the outside. I'm going to do new construction windows, and I'm going to make a box frame, trim it out. Once I get that installed, we'll do some type of backsplash. The counter, I haven't put the end cap on here. This counter is just sitting here. I actually have to go underneath, take these brackets and put this seam together and then lock this cabinet down. As I said earlier, I've replaced all the hinges and everything with the exception of this section on the bottom. I've not replaced the hinges or cleaned these cabinets yet. This is my last section to clean. Removing these countertops was not easy. What they did was they built everything in place, meaning the pressed wood was nailed to the top of the cabinets, and then they nailed on the wood face, and then they glued the Formica on. Same thing back here with the backsplash. It was all nailed up from the underneath, so I had to literally peel the Formica off, break the wood finish front off, peel the Formica back, raise this up. It was a nightmare getting the countertops out. I wish I would have filmed it. If you ever purchase a double wide and you decide to do your kitchen and not replace the cabinets and everything, you got some fun to look forward to. But yeah, we're getting there. Let's see if I can get around here where I can get a better view of the other side. Yeah, look at my house is a mess, boxes and tools everywhere. But I'll give you guys another update in a day or so. This is what, day 3. It's actually day 4 for me, but day 3 on the video. Hopefully you guys like videos like this and you'll follow along with it. Actually, I get done with this, we're gonna move on to replacing all the decking on my back deck. We're gonna replace all the windows and doors in the house. I have one small bathroom. I'll go ahead and show you that so you see the projects that are ahead. This bathroom in here I'm going to upgrade. I'm going to replace the vanity, the toilet, get rid of this cabinet up here and mirror. I'm going to refinish the tub. They have a kit where you can refinish the tubs. You have to buy 2 kits, but it's cheaper than tearing that thing out and redoing it. I do have some of the flooring underneath this that I'm going to have to repair. Yes, Chanel, you want to say hi to everybody? Excuse my house, guys. Yes, baby. And then we're going to go in here. Now, you guys, you know, we just purchased this house, so, well, it's been a little while. This bathroom in here, I'm actually going to be removing all these cabinets all the way down through here. That bathtub's going away. This stand-up shower is going away. The toilet is going to be moved over here where the shower's at with a little small partition wall. We're going to have tile floor all the way across. It's going to go up the walls. That's going to be a big walk-in shower back there. I'm not going to have any glass doors or anything. I might do a little partition. I'm not sure yet. So I want to do a shower on that side. And over here, I want to do a little freestanding tub, all tile. And we're just going to do his and hers. 2 vanities over here. Do away with the mirror, the lighting. Do away with the popcorn ceiling in here. That's going to be a bit of work. We're going to be doing that. So if you guys want to follow along, I'd appreciate it. Thanks. I'll update you in a day or so on our kitchen. All right, guys. Bye.